Christopher, say hello.
No.
You like to see inside or not? Okay, what's inside?
Toy.
Toy? Christopher thinking that this is a toy. I buy something from Amazon. What is inside? Toy? Let's have a look if this is a toy or not.
No.
It's a toy? I don't think so.
Toy.
Are you sure? I think it's not a toy.
Toy.
What do you think, guys? Tell me what's your name again? It's Christopher and it's me. Mom, what about me?
Mommy.
Mommy. It's
Mommy.
Christopher's and mom.
Mommy Lynn.
Mommy Lynn? Look at this.
Toy?
Toy?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Oh, nothing. Oh, nothing. This is just rubbish. Oh no. Nothing? Oh my god,
I
nothing.
have to see. Look.
You found something.
Look. Omen.
Open it. What's inside? Oh. Oh, another box.
Yeah.
Oh, what's in it?
Baby toy.
Maybe toy.
Yeah.
Christopher is dreaming for a toy. What do you think?
Oh no. Not toy.
It's mine.
No, not toy.
Not toy. Okay. You have it? It's raining. Look. Okay, Christopher.
This one is whiskey.
Okay. Look, Christopher, is this for me? Look at this. I have a ring light. And then I have this. The tripod. That one for to put your phone. Yes. And this is the tripod. Wow.
Not toy.
Yeah, for the phone. Yeah. Oh, what about this? Ah, this one. Put it in here. You just put here. Maybe wrong. Look, I have remote. You found something. Yes. You found something. Yeah. What's that? Why is not? Ah, yeah, this one. I found it. How to do it? What about this? Oh, I have two phone holder here. Yeah, one for me, one for you.
Not me.
Not you?
Not me.
Why?
Yeah, okay.
This is, I think, for here. And that's one. this is for
What's this?
that one for the phone.
Oh,
Yeah. This one I have to make it level.
what? Go there?
No.
There?
No. Wait.
What? Go there? What? Go there?
Yeah. This one?
There?
Yeah. I think here.
Yeah.
Can I take this one? No?
Oh, no. You need open.
Yeah.
Look. Look. I found something. Look.
You found something?
Look at that. You need that.
Yeah.
One is there. One there.
Yeah.
Yes. Look. See? That.
Yeah. So this?
Yeah. Go.
Where that go? To the phone.
Go.
Yeah. To make me pretty. Yeah. What? What else? That's all? Ah, yeah, this one? Yeah. See this? See? Look. Yeah. See? Look. Look. See? Yes, I'm ready. It's LED light. It's LED. Yeah, it has, I think, 180 lights. LED. Yeah, so I have a remote control here to use. Christopher, are you happy? Yeah? Did you get a toy or not?
No.
This is for who is this?
Mommy.
Mommy, okay? So don't take it out from mommy, okay? Always this put here, okay? So thank you.
Welcome.
Say bye.